Suzuki Burgman 400. Review urban transport with the ability for roaming further afield. It's fair to say the Suzuki Burgman 400 is quite well established. There have been Burgman maxi-scoots bobbing around city streets, swanning along bypasses and supplying Sunday thrumming for almost a quarter of a century. Originally available in AN250 and AN400 form, the range expanded over the years to also include 125, 200 and 650 models, and so it's what pops into your mind's eye when someone says, giant scooter. However, since the end of 2020 only the 400 has been available in the UK. And to ensure its continued existence faced with upstart rivals and ever-tightening emission regulations, this sole Burgman has been upgraded into the most modern model yet. It has an engine that's more refined and kinder to baby seals, an improved display, and enhanced electronic widgets as well. Ride quality and brakes. Riding the 400 is about as taxing as remembering to breathe. The long, low chassis makes the Burgman's portly 218 kilograms easy to handle. Low speed balance is good, and with variable transmission there's no fatty clutch or gears to worry about, just rev and rip. It's fabulously breezy to pilot and a doddle to master. Suspension isn't anything special, mind. Though decent enough swinging around on smooth city streets, the simple setup delivers an unsophisticated ride, the bike jiggling over mid-corner ripples and crashing over bumps. Engine. Suzuki's 400 cubic centimeters twin-cam 4-stroke single has been given a good shuffle for this version. There's a twin-plug cylinder head, new camshafts and revised timing, different injectors and even a fresh piston. These alterations were required to squeeze the motor through Euro 5 and weren't intended to boost output. In fact, this revised unit makes a bit less torque and almost 2 horsepower fewer than its predecessor, peaking at 28.6 brake horsepower at 6,300 RPM. Reliability and build quality. The 400's finish is good. Paint looks deep, there are LED lights all over, the screen's effective and I love the blue wheels. Unfortunately, some other elements of the 400 let it down. The fake carbon pattern on the dash surround and exhaust shield is terribly 1990s, and the textured plastic handlebar cover is a bit Morris Marina. Value versus rivals. Suzuki's latest Burgman is an excellent £5,000 bike. Unfortunately, it costs almost £7,000 on the road. This means it doesn't look the best value when compared to Yamaha's more modern XMAX 300, which makes as much power but weighs 38 kilograms less, has larger underseat storage, keyless ignition, adjustable bars and screen, and is over £1,000 cheaper. It's a similar story with Honda's ADV 350. And for real urbanites, Piaggio's confidence-boosting, city-carving MP3 Sport 300 leaning three-wheeler is only £350 more expensive than the Suzuki. Equipment. We expect a lot for our money these days, and a $7,000 bike should be teasing us with a color display with switchgear controlled functions. Or phone connectivity. Or cruise control, self-canceling indicators or heated grips. But you'll find none of these peripheral niceties on the Suzuki.